wishing as she swam that her own moon be on a friend. But he too is swimming away an inch more every year, and almost forgot about the other spheres here. Took a few hundred light years for the bad air to clear up out of here. Soon now our star will swell and blowed up, turn bright red, at least as we said might happen to it. They're all gone, she'll begin. It's just elements again, tumbling in the solar winds, in and out, now spin in a different direction. Somewhere else a similar situation, some random formation occurring in the same equation, building new destruction. They're all gone, she said, with sore achy fall lines, still following guidelines. Stones approach, push to swirl in some other new star's light. Soon now too the star will swell, releasing brand new moons, dark matter and toxic fumes. It's just a dusty interstellar saloon. Soon now too that star will swell and spread out and then shrink up. Some white dwarf will hold your cup half full, 'cause elsewhere new volcanoes erupt. She's still be seen off somewhere else melting, some other eyes absorbing a new light inside of some new starling. Soon now too the light will die, soon now too the light will die. But its energy never does, it burns in some other new blood. But its energy never does, it burns in some other new blood. But its energy never does, it burns in some other new blood.